Hello everyone, how are you doing? So it's been a while since I've uploaded any tutorial series. Like the last time I did was Android Studio tutorials, right? So this time I thought let's do something different. So I've noticed that most of the students and people who go to work basically still don't know how to use Microsoft Office and all the features in it, right? So I just thought I'll show you this. But I've also noticed that most of the people still don't own Microsoft Office because when you go to buy a PC or laptop, they charge you for it, right? It will cost you a few thousand rupees. But most of the people don't go for it. Like I didn't purchase it. I thought I'll just work out with something else. So I just found out about this WPS Office. So the main difference is that this doesn't cost you anything. This is free of cost. So I'm just going to show you what WPS Office is, and in the further tutorials I'll show you how you can operate it. So let's get started with the video. My name is Samihan Sawant, also known as Sam, and welcome to Random Asia. Yeah, so this is WPS Office for PC. This is the website. I have linked it in the description. You can go there and you can click it and access the website. Now, once you go down here, see, this is a cross-platform Office suite, which means that it is available on various OS. Like it is available for Microsoft, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, and it also does have a web platform. So if you click enter on this, you can access all the features online. So first of all, you'll have to download whichever software you have. You have to download this, whichever OS you have. And then I've already downloaded, right? So this is the dashboard. So first of all, you can see here, it is the writer, spreadsheet, presentation, and PDF. Now, while installing, they will ask you if you want to install it in a segregated manner or in a all-in-one manner. So this is the all-in-one manner. See, writer, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF. All four are in the same application. So you don't have to click 4 times for 4 separate things. You can just access it from here and see, you can access it through tabs, right? Now, first of all, in the dashboard, see, various things are there. Now, the first main point is that this software offers you cloud storage, which means that whenever you create a file, you can store it on your PC as well as on cloud. So it provides 1 GB of cloud storage. Now, the benefit of this is that once you create a document, then after a few days, if you like delete it or something by mistake, you can still access it through cloud. So this is one of the benefits of WPS. Now, if you go ahead, see all these features they have given, like PDF to Word, Word to PDF feature. Then you can convert picture to PDF. You can repair files. There's a backup center, and you can convert picture to text like Google Lens. It uses OCR method. So all these features are great. Then comes this writer, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF. Now, once you go in writer, first of all, you can see either blank, you can take blank and write whatever stuff you want, or you can use templates. Now they have provided various several kinds of templates. Like now if you want to write a resume, see all these templates. Some of the templates are like premium, you have to pay for WPS premium, but we can still use all these which are not premium and they are still great. You can use whichever you want according to your choice. Now they have resumes, letters, education, posters, and several others of these. Now this is for document. If you go ahead, you have spreadsheets, right? Now while creating spreadsheets, they also have all these templates like statistical table, then sales report, monthly sales report, all these templates. Then in simple form, education, you have all these kinds of templates for spreadsheets. Then when you go ahead, you have presentation. Now everyone creates presentations, right? Students, people who work, everything. See this coronavirus and all these templates, they keep it updating every day, and whenever you get the update, new templates come along with it. See all these infographics and all this stuff. Then comes PDF section. Now you can convert PDF to Word, you can merge PDFs, you can convert PDF to Excel sheets, PDF to picture, and all other stuff. So I'm going to show you one by one through each and every video how you can operate all these things in the coming series of WPS Office. So you can look forward to it by subscribing to my channel. Once you have subscribed to my channel, please do click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload the new video. Since everyone is quarantined, you can watch my videos, right, and learn something new. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.